The first part of this question is essentially asking us to find the directions for moving from point B to point A and then to multiply them by 3. So the way we can do that is to take the x and y components of point B and point A and subtract them after we label x2, y2, x1, and y1. So our x2, the point that we're going to here, is going to be -2. We're going to subtract +3, and then the y coordinate is going to be 1 minus 4. And so we have our component form for vector BA, which will be -5, -3. Now what we're looking for is 3 times BA, or 3BA. So what we can do there is take each of our components from the vector BA and multiply them by 3. And if we do that, we'll have the answer to the first part of our question, which is that the component form of vector 3BA is equal to -15 and -9. Now, if we want to find the magnitude of that vector, what we can do is think about each of the components of that vector as the leg of a right triangle, and what we're looking for is the length of the hypotenuse. So we can find the magnitude by taking the square root of the first component, -15 squared, plus the second part of the component, -9 squared. And this is going to give us the square root of 306. And we can simplify 306 by breaking it into prime factors. We'll end up with 2 times 3 times 3 times 17. We can pull out the pair of 3's, and that will leave us with our final answer, which is that the magnitude of this vector is 3 times the square root of 34.